Here we're going to know about node environment variables or .env files, and we're going to know how to handle environment files, environment variables in our Node app. So here we go. Let's connect to our VPS. And I change directory to my Node app directory. As you can remember, we created directory apps, and here our project app directory. So what's .env files and when we want to use it? Remember, imagine you're coding your apps on server and you will add the default port 3000, and that's okay and fine. But you want to deploy your project on production, and there is some and your Node app on server port should be something different. For example, our Node app was, as you can see here, is 6679. So okay, I cloned the app on server and changed the port on our source code. But the problem here is you change the code on local and you want to deploy it on server, and then these changes make you will make you angry. But what we should do, we should do the environment files. Or you think you want to your app is using MongoDB, and you're on server, you have a main collection, you have the main database, and on the server you want to use on the tester database. So you create a .env files on the server and loads the main collection, main database on the server, and on the local, the .env files show you the test database. So here, let's use .env on our project. At first, we should install the package npm install.env. So our package installed, and then I think I installed the package previously. So here we should have some changes in our Node app. As you can see here, when my Express app run on the port, here I like this comment, this message, and I show this port. And we have I create the port variable and set the my port here. So here I require the .env file and config function of it to make it. So now whenever I want to use the my variable, I should use process env dot variable on environment. So here the port, and so it's done. Okay. Now there's two ways to add a environment file. The first is you have a multiple variable, and you should have the .env file. It's a simple file, and you provide every variable in it on each line. So here I have a test variable 2222, and in .env file I create the variable port, and I tells the server.js to read the port on a .env file, and here if I npm start the project, you can see this port read it from our .env file. Let me remove that. Another way to run your Node app on a environment variable is to provide a variable, for example, for tree before your command. As you can see here, the port 43 written. But there is a trick. If I use here, I tell the port to always read the port from the environment variables, but sometimes it may our .env files there's sometimes maybe there is no .env files. So here we tell if there is some port or make it 3000. So if we are on local and we run not npm start and without any provided variable or without any .env files, it start on port 300, or if we are on server and we have a .env file, it reads from the environment variable, not this. And let's check. If I use npm start, there we have port 3, or if I have env, so port 6679, and I save .env file, and I start npm. Here you can see it read the port from the environment variables. So here we used and test the environment variable for Node.js project, and thanks for watching this video. See you on next videos.